This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Renee Miller. You will feel at home the minute you walk in. This pretty light and bright ranch home has 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a designated laundry room, garage, and extra parking. It is conveniently located in a quiet neighborhood just 5 minutes from countless restaurants, shopping, and more. This is the home you have been looking for. For more information, review the details below or contact Renee Miller at 865-584-4000.